Hello, Tanishka.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, Tanishka. Very good afternoon. How are you? Long time no see.
Yes, I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm fit as a fiddle. Thank you so much for the concern. So tell me,
Yes,
how's everything going, huh? How's your Rubik's cube going? Rubik's.
yes,
How's how's that learning going? Have you learned it yet?
yes, I learned it.
You learned it completely. How to solve Rubik's cube? All the three layers.
On the yes,
Oh,
on the square Rubik's, I can solve sometimes two sides, and I tell you on that triangle Rubik's, I can solve the all sides.
that's great. That's great. Last time I think you showed me how you artistically and intuitively made different flags on faces of Rubik's cube, right?
Yes,
Different flags of different countries. So
yes.
how many countries flags you have mastered making on Rubik's cube?
I make so many flags like I make India, Japan,
Flags. So many flags.
so many flags. Yes,
Yes.
like China, Japan, Russia, um, and India. Yeah, Bangladesh, Japan. Yeah, so many I mix.
Bangladesh and Japan are quite easy, right? Because you
Yes,
just have to.
Bangladesh and Japan are very easy to make. In the between there are circles, and that we have to make. One is white, and one is red, and one more is red. Two
Yeah,
are
for one is the background is white, and you just have to care about the centerpiece, which should be red. And for
yes,
the other one, it is red in green, right?
yes, red and green.
Bangladesh. By the way, have you traveled to any other countries? Have you traveled overseas?
No, I never go any countries.
I haven't been to any other countries.
Yes, I haven't been to another countries.
So, which countries' flags can you make with the triangular one?
Tangle one I make only India because so many flags have different colors that colors don't have in triangle Rubik's. But on this square Rubik's, the colors are available like orange, white, red, blue. Yes. Can I show
Yeah,
you triangle Rubik's?
I would love to see. I would love to see.
Yes. And can I make all the sides?
Can you make it right now?
Yes, I can make it in 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but I don't know.
Wow, that is so fast. Okay, wait. I'll start the timer so I can check. Should I start the timer?
Yes, start the timer.
I hope it won't make you feel nervous. I don't get nervous. Okay. All right. Three, two, one. Uh huh. Come on, come on. You gotta break the record. Yes, 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 yes. Tanishka, way to go, way to go. Wow, already 70% to be there. Your fingers are so fast. Little fingers, tiny fingers, but they're working so fast. Uh-huh.
I do practice, that's why.
I also need to learn from you how to practice this. Yeah. Little fingers work fast actually, The mobility is nice.
Yes. All sides done.
Wow. Okay. So
Yes.
it is under 3 minutes. You said 2 to 3 minutes. That is under 3 minutes. It's only 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Okay.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So at least like it's three sides. It should take three. It's a triangle. With three dimensions. So it should take
Yes.
3 minutes, but it didn't even take 3 minutes. Bravo, Tanishka. Bravo. Can you teach me? Please. I don't know how to solve that.
When we just do one side, sometimes automatically the two sides come. So we have to just another two sides are remaining that we have to do.
Remaining. That we
Yes,
have to do.
remaining that we
Remaining.
have to do.
And try to use the word face. There are four faces. Don't use the word sides. Sides is very basic. Sides has a lot of meaning. Okay, that word. When you are especially talking about Rubik's puzzle, right, which has multiple faces, so use the word face. Okay,
Yes.
yeah,
Okay.
the yellow face, the blue face, the red face. You can also say side, but you are a creative, intelligent person, so use better words. Okay,
Yes.
better vocabulary. Yep.
Yeah.
So you know two puzzles, right? You can do triangular and also Rubik's you are not able to solve, right? Fully.
Yes. This on this square Rubik's, I
Square
cannot do
Rubik's, yeah.
all the sides. I can do sometimes two sides. Yes, two sides.
Yellow is beside orange.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So tell me which other piece is adjacent to yellow?
Mm,
Orange.
orange.
Then
They had uh
yeah. You're going in the right. The top one. What is the top piece? No.
orange.
Center. The center
This
piece. Center piece कौन सा था? Which is centerpiece? Yellow is centerpiece, right?
yes.
Now orange is also centerpiece
Yes.
of of the left side.
Yeah.
Top पे कौन? Which is the top वाला centerpiece?
Blue.
Blue. So blue centerpiece is adjacent to yellow centerpiece.
Okay.
I'll give you some tongue twisters. Okay. Do you know tongue twister?
Yes, I know one tongue twister.
Which one? Which one?
Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
That's wonderful. I'll give you another one. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
In the chat.
Sala sells seashells by the seashore.
Sure. Sally is selling seashells by the seashore.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Once again, now you have to increase the speed. Slowly. Just like the other tongue twister.
Yes,
Yeah.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Shore.
Sure. Sure. I'm. You say na, I'm sure, but that is different spelling, right? That is different
Yes.
spelling. This is
Yes.
actually the beauty of English. Spellings are different, but pronunciations can be same. These are
Yeah.
homonyms. We'll learn about them in the next lecture. But now practice this, okay? Say it 5 times slowly and gradually increase the speed.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sure.
It's okay. If you make a mistake, don't worry, okay? I'll
Yes.
I'll smile. You don't have to smile. Okay. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally said she by the seashore. Sally said she by the seashore. Sally said she by the seashore. Like that. That's how you have to say. See, tongue. What is the purpose of tongue twister? You know why we use tongue twisters?
Because our our
Pronunciation.
yes, some pronunciation
Pronunciation.
and speaking speed. When we just do the tongue twister, our speaking speed improved.
You when you talk about speaking, right? You use the word pace. Pace. No, don't use the word speed. There is no race. Okay.
Yes,
There's no race when you are speaking. Use the word pace. Whenever you're talking about the speaking speed, na, use this word. ठीक है तनिष्का?
yes,
That it helps with the pace. Tongue twisters helps with better pace.
pace.
Pace. Don't use the word speed, right?